Hello, it's Cassie here with Trinity Stamps, and I'm excited to be sharing a product release video for the Sweet Summer Celebration release. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Celebration Balloons die set. Celebration Balloons is a 9-piece die set. It contains traditional balloons that measure 4.2 by 6.2 inches, 3.5 by 5 inches, 2.75 by 4 inches, 2 inches by 3 inches, 1.5 by 2.2 inches, 1 inch by 1.5 inches, 1.2 by 1.4 inches. The heart balloon measures 2 by 1.7 inches, and the tall wavy balloon measures 1.25 by 4.4. Now let's take a look at a card that I made using the Celebration Balloons. I made a light up for you. Now let's take a look at a few creations made by our design team. And be sure to check out all that Trinity Stamps has going on over on their blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more crafty inspiration. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you have a great day.